Okay guys, I'm going to help you out with tonight's homework. I'm going to do 3 and 4. So the instructions say to draw and label the special right triangle that contains a 60-degree angle and use it as a reference. So that just means up here, I want you to draw your 30, 60, 90 triangle and put your 1, your 2, and your radical 3. Just so you know that that's always there. Okay, so 3 says it's a 30, 60, 90 triangle, and already I can do this. I can say I know that the normal ratio of leg to hypotenuse is 1 to radical 3 to 2. And it says the longer of the two legs measures 3. That's this side, right? So the reason I know it's that one is because the radical 3 is one of the legs, and it's longer than 1. So I know that's the longer of my two legs. So the longer of the two legs measures 3. What are the lengths of the second leg and hypotenuse? So somehow that just became a 3. So I've got to figure out how that happened. How does radical 3 become a 3? Well, something goes here that's going to make this thing turn into a 3. And you can do some research and try to figure out what it is. What you're going to find is that radical 3 has to be multiplied by radical 3 to become a 3, right? Because radical 3 times radical 3 is radical 9, and the square root of 9 is 3. So that means that this was just multiplied by radical 3. So I have to do the same thing here, and the same thing here. So the shorter leg is going to become radical 3. The longer leg is going to become 2 radical 3. So it says, what are the lengths of the second leg and hypotenuse? There they are. All right, let's do 4. In a 30, 60, 90 triangle, whose shortest side measures 3 radical 3. Okay, so we're back here because it's a 30, 60, 90. The shortest side just became a 3 radical 3, which can only happen if you multiplied it by 3 radical 3, right? Because you're starting with a 1. What is the length of the second leg? So I don't even care about this right now. I only care about the second leg. So that means I have radical 3 times 3 radical 3. I'm going to multiply these two things. So that's going to leave me with 3 times radical 9. Radical 9 is really just a 3, which leaves me with 9. So the length of the other side is 9. Hopefully that's helpful. Remember that if you're using the 45, 45, 90 triangles, which is the triangle you're going to be using on the back, the ratio isn't 1 to radical 3 to 2 anymore. So you'll have to look at the notes key to see what that ratio should be. See you guys tomorrow.